The future is no longer science fiction. Humanoid robots are here. And two superpowers are fighting to lead the revolution. China versus USA, the robot war has started. Who will dominate the age of intelligent machines? China is building humanoid robots faster than any country in the world. The goal is clear: robots for every industry, every factory, every hospital. Fourier Intelligence's GR1 walks independently, carries loads, and works with human workers. Unitree's H1 runs like a human, 20 kilometers per hour, the fastest humanoid robot on Earth. UBTech's Walker X performs complex tasks in real environments. Agibot's industrial robots are replacing repetitive human labor. China is not just making robots, China is scaling them. Factories in Shanghai, Shenzhen, and Suzhou are producing consumer electronics like robots. This speed is unmatched. The USA still leads in intelligence, design, and engineering. Boston Dynamics Atlas is a mechanical monster. It jumps, balances, runs, and performs movements that no other robot on Earth can achieve. Tesla's Optimus is learning faster every month through AI training. It watches videos, learns tasks, and improves without human teaching. NASA's Valkyrie is being prepared for space missions and disaster response. If China is winning in speed, the USA is winning in innovation. Here is where China becomes unstoppable. Robots are expensive, but China has the world's largest electronics manufacturing base. Humanoid robots are now being built on the same production lines as smartphones, EV motors, sensors, industrial servos. This means China can make robots more cheaply, faster, and in greater numbers. Fourier announced plans to produce 100,000 humanoid robots per year. Unitree is preparing the same. Dozens of Chinese startups are entering the market. What the USA builds in 1 month, China can build in 1 week. Robots survive on software, and the USA is the king of software. Tesla's Optimus uses a training method developed from the same AI that drives millions of Teslas. It learns by watching humans. It learns by practicing in virtual worlds. It learns without rest. NVIDIA's robot AI training platform is used by almost every American robotics company. This is why US robots behave more naturally, more intelligently, more smoothly. Where China wins in quantity, the USA wins in intelligence. China is not building robots for cool demonstrations. China is building robots for real work. Hospitals, logistics, warehouses, elderly care, agriculture factories, restaurants, hotels. China's target? Humanoid robots in 4,000 factories by 2025. This is not a dream. The rollout has already begun. American companies build fewer robots, but the robots they build are incredibly advanced. Atlas can jump on small blocks. Optimus can manipulate objects with extreme precision. US robots are built like advanced aerospace machines. Strong, agile, durable. It's quality versus quantity. Both matter. China has announced one of the boldest robotics plans in history. 500,000 humanoid robots per year, robot factories in every industrial city, robots replacing dangerous human jobs, AI plus robotics and logistics, manufacturing, and healthcare national government level investment. The world has never seen a robotics rolled out this big. If China hits its target, it will have more humanoid robots than the rest of the world combined. The truth is, this is not a war with one winner. China is winning in speed, scale, and affordability. The USA is winning in AI, precision, and innovation. But one thing is certain. Humanoid robots will change everything. Jobs, factories, economies, and global power. And the race has only just begun. Subscribe for the next episode. The Drone War, China versus USA.